Left signal, turn signal light, and this is just blinking, while the other side is actually completely dead. Yep, and it's not doing well. So I'm gonna replace them with a $20 turn signal from Amazon. This is how it looks like. Typically, you just push them uh, backwards, and then it will release. I think there's like a hook in here, and then this one is just like spring-loaded stuff. And then you could take this out. So this thing is terrible. Look at the legs. They're like spread apart too far. Yeah, this is terrible. I need to fix this before putting in. It will not go into the battery. It's kind of weird though, because this one, the pins are like down there. Huh. So we're gonna see if this works. Yep. So I'm gonna take out the adhesive here, and then go to the other side. There we go. And I also remove the tenting over here. I prefer it without a tent.